this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle... Spicy Noodle Mukbang. This is the show where I eat something spicy and you get to watch. Today I've got one from South Korea. This is Paldo with their Teumsae stir-fried ramen. This will be a pretty quick go. Here it is right here, and here's a lovely image of it as well. I will not be enjoying it on a rotating, well, it's a rotating platform, but I'm not going to have it rotate while I eat it. So, I guess I need small youngins to give me a hand. Hey, I need you guys to give me a ready, set, go, you know?
Ready, set, go!
Alright. I gotta say, I like the pack version better already. I like cooked noodles better than steeped ones. I just like the consistency in general a lot better. Sometimes there are varieties that really surprise me, but generally not. As for the heat level, it's spicy. It's pretty spicy, but it's not like, oh my god, spicy. Well, it's building a bit. We'll keep going. Well, it is done. Not exactly how I envisioned my morning thing to go, but it's spicy. It's not bad. I've got a bit of a throat burn. The front of my mouth is definitely going. Okay, it's got a bite. Anyways, Teumsae, the soup version, is generally a lot hotter than this, so that's pretty good. Alright. Well, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Big thanks to the children for the ready, set, go earlier. And, yeah. Alright, have a good one. Bye!